What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video for a Motorwolf helmet. Now I have been having my eyes on this helmet for quite a while. Yes, I got it from Throttleware. Throttleware are just off Ngong Road, Naivasha Road at the Dagoretti corner. That's where I got this helmet from. And I am super excited. I can't wait. So right off the box, what you see is Motorwolf equipped with the following core technologies. Yes. What I'm particularly interested in is adaptable buckle anti-fog sticker. Yes. So this is what you see when you get into the box, and voila. Goodness, of course, this is, don't need that. Look at the bag that it comes with. This is a bag that it comes with. Nice bag that you can use maybe like that. Where's the other strap? There you go. Or you can just carry it like that. So that's a beautiful bag that it comes with, and another protective covering. I can say a protective layer. Yes. And voila. The product itself. Oh, what a beauty. Look at it. Look at that. Actually, what attracted me the most in this helmet is this kind of spoiler here. It just got me hooked. Yes, so that's how it looks. That's how it looks like. These are some reflectors. Of course, the paddings are removable. The anti-fog was already installed. Yes, it was already installed. So let me get rid of... How do you get rid of this sticker? The size is an XL. Well, those guys at Throttleware do an amazing job in terms of being patient with you. They take measurement of your head, then they advise you on the best size of helmet to use. And then you try on a few helmets until you get your right size. I had a problem before whereby when I bought my first helmet, it was a bit wobbly. Not a bit, super wobbly. I didn't know what to expect from a helmet. Okay, I'm talking too much. So I want to get rid of this sticker. Ooh. Perfect. And there we go. Let's try it on. Of course, Throttleware gives you a balaclava. In the box we have a balaclava that they give you. This is the anti-fog thingy, and it's already installed, of course, and a bunch of, what do you call these things, stickers? Well, yeah. So I want to give it a try. Should I do the balaclava that they gave me? No, I'm going to use my own. Yes, one which I have grown fond of. So this is how I fit my balaclava. And moment of truth. How does it fit? Oh goodness. It feels so nice. Of course, I'm going to adjust this strap later, but for now, feels so good. And that's pretty much it. It's about time we take it for a ride. Come on, let's go.